In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off email notifications for shared files in Google Drive. If your inbox is overflowing with updates every time someone shares a file or there's activity in a shared folder, this quick walkthrough will help you take control. We'll use Google Drive's built-in settings to stop those emails while keeping your files and access exactly the same. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google's homepage. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account where you receive these Drive emails. In the top right corner, look for the grid icon, the Google Apps button. Click it to open the app launcher, then choose Drive. This takes you straight into your Google Drive. Once you're in Drive, look at the left side panel and click Shared with Me. This view shows files and folders that others have shared with you, and it's often the source of many email alerts. Visiting this area isn't required to change the setting, but it's helpful context for what we're adjusting. Next, move to the top right corner of Drive and click the gear icon. This is where all of your Drive preferences live. From the drop-down, select Settings to open the main settings window. Inside Settings, find and click the Notifications section. Here you'll see how Drive contacts you about activity, including when items are shared, files are updated, or comments happen on documents you can access. Under the Email area, uncheck the Email checkbox. This single change tells Google Drive to stop sending you email notifications about Drive activity, including updates related to files shared with you. There's nothing extra to save. Drive applies this change immediately. You can close the settings window and continue working. If you still want to be notified without email clutter, you can keep browser notifications on within the same notifications section, and you'll get quiet alerts on your computer instead of messages in your inbox. A few quick tips as you finish up. If you use multiple Google accounts, double-check that you adjusted the setting in the correct account. If you're on a work or school account, some options might be managed by your organization, so availability can vary. And if you ever want certain emails back, say for comments or access requests, return to the same place and re-enable email. That's it. You've turned off email notifications for shared files in Google Drive and reduced inbox noise without losing access to anything important. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more focused inbox.